Welcome everybody. We're very proud to announce that we now have our own wizard online that you can update just by following these simple instructions on how to do it. So I have here basically just one menu in an Android box, and we can kind of give you an idea of what you need to do. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go into Kodi right now, and you should be running Kodi 16.1 or 16.0 is fine. Now the video is going to be a little jittery because we're doing this online. Um, so basically, we want to look at, and this is what the build's all about. We're going to go to video and video add-ons, and this is basically the build we offer. Now it's got all your newest Zen, Stream Hub, HD Box, Movies for You, M4U, Niter, Goodfellows, C Cloud, of course Exodus, Specto. So we have here, and as you can see right here, we're doing a maintenance-free box now. So Specto, basically you have 49 add-ons. 98% of them are working. They go up and down like crazy, but you know, if you're looking at just doing movies, Phoenix, Specto, Zen, and X is your best way to go. So this is the build. There's no adult stuff on there, but I can show you how to install the adult add-ons if you want them. There's just sports and movies and some live TV. Um, Very good. You know, this is what I use every day. And like I said, it's an excellent build. It's been a long time coming. It's not easy to create wizards, but thanks to Alex Jackson, my son, we finally have this together. This will make your life a lot easier because it's just a matter of adding the source and downloading. So my suggestion, if you do have some add-ons that you don't see here, and I'll just kind of scroll through them, that work fine for you, and you don't want to get rid of them, and you want to keep them. As you see, I don't have one channel prime wire anymore. I won't even use it. It doesn't work half of the time, so we stick to what's working. So basically, I'm going to go through this, and I'm going to show you the best way to install this. And we're going to go out, and we're going to go home, and we're going to exit Kodi. And this is to do a clean install, okay? So we're going to exit. So if you're running Kodi 16 or 16.1, and it'll tell you. Now every menu is different, but it's just a matter of going to settings and to your apps, and we'll let that load. And you'll see all your apps here. So we're just going to go to Kodi. It tells you here how much space is used. We're going to go there. We're going to click on it. It's going to tell us what version, 16.1, which is the newest. 17 is available, but I wouldn't suggest downloading it yet until I explore it a little bit more to tell you that it's hard to change skins. It's hard to do a lot of things. So we're going to stick with 16.1, 16.0. 15.2 is even stable. If it's working for you, then that's fine. If you're not and you want to install 16.1, it's just a matter of uninstalling, going to Google Play Store and look for Kodi and install the newest version. But I'm going to show you now with 16.1 or 16. All you need to do is you got to come here and you want to clear the data. If you want a fresh install of our build, it's best there to clean data, and it's just a matter of hitting OK, and it's going to compute. Okay, it's going to think as it's getting rid of it. Once it's clear, it'll show 0 bytes, and all you're going to do is, using your keyboard. I'm just using a mouse right now. Is you're going to click on open, and Kodi's going to open for you, and it's going to say prepare for first run. Please wait. So we're waiting for it to do that. Now, once Kodi's up and running, you have a fresh install of Kodi. So what's going to happen now, it's going to start updating here. So let's give it a minute here to start updating here, okay? It's just going to take a second. I'm just going to pause the video for shits and giggles just to save time. So in this case, there it is now, it's updating. And they're just some essential programs for Kodi. So our next move is to go down to System, and we're going to click on File Manager. Okay, you can click on File Manager, and let's let it think here. Okay, we're going to go to Add Source, and right here you're going to type exactly what I'm going to show you: HTTP : fat fingers, // droid connect.net23.net. Oh, I missed the 23. 1 second. My number lock must be 23. To look exactly, here we go. Sorry. net23.net. Okay. And you're going to click done. And we're just going to call this Droid Connect. You can call it whatever you want, but let's just call it Droid Connect. And we're going to click done. And we're going to hit OK. Okay, we're going to go back out. And we're going to go to System. And we're going to go to Add-ons. It's going to tell us first run, just click OK. And we're going to go here, Install from zip file. And you're going to look for the directory Droid Connect. We're going to click on that, and you're going to want to go to pluginvideo.droidconnect.simco.zip. You're going to click on that, and we're going to wait down here to see if it installs. So let's give it a second and wait for it to install. There it is, Droid Connect Simco add-on enabled. We're going to go home, clicking on the home button, and we're going to go down to, okay, we're going to go into videos, video add-ons, and let's just turn this into thumbnails. Yeah. And there you'll see it right there. Droid Connect Simco. It's just a matter of clicking on that. Now, for some reason, a thumbnail is not coming up here. Don't worry about it. You're just going to click on it. So, with your OK button. and the wizard's going to start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it may take 10 to 15 minutes, some faster. So we're just going to put her on pause while it downloads, and we're going to come back. As you can see, I'm on pause it that we're still downloading the wizard. We're at 34%. So we're going to pause it again, and we're going to show you what happens when it downloads. Okay, the wizard's at about 98% downloaded. I paused it for time reasons, so we're at 98%. And then our next step it'll start installing. So let's see what happens here. Just to show you what your screen should say. So we're at 99%. Excuse me. We're 100% now. If you look at it, it's installing. Okay. So we're going to pause it again for time reasons as it installs. Okay, the wizard's about 56%, just showing you how it's installing. Back to pause, and we'll see what happens when it ends. Okay, we're at 88%, 89%. We're going to let this load, and I'll show you your next step. This is very simple, guys. Just follow the instructions. You have the newest build, our best build. Now, it doesn't have sports and movies and some live TV. As you well know, that live TV doesn't work well in Kodi. So as far as adult stuff goes, I'm going to show you a video tomorrow how to install some adult stuff. So now it says downloads complete. Unfortunately, the way to the new changes is to force Kodi closed. So the best way to do that is to unplug your box from the power, bring it back up, make sure your date and time are correct. That's the biggest issue we're having with a lot of boxes. People saying, oh, nothing's working. Well, check your date and time. So we'll hit OK and see if this exits out for us. Let's hit force close. Yes, close. So let's take a look here and see if it. So we're going to force close Kodi this way. It's best to unplug it, and let's see how it works. So we're going to hit exit, and we're going to go back out. We just go back to the menu that you were in under settings. And let's fire Kodi back up and see what we got. So we're back on the main menu. Let's click on Kodi and see if everything is installed properly. Looks like it has. There's the Droid Connect news. Excuse me. Videos. Video add-ons, and look, everything's there. They're set up to autoplay. They're set up at 720. You can change some of the settings. Now, you may, depending on when you download, there may be some updates that come. Now, if you look down here, and this is what makes Droid Connect probably the best out there for Android boxes. They're maintenance free. They clean their cache files on their own. It's a better setup. So, guys, that's how you do it. Simple, simple, simple. So, if you have any questions, send me a message. I'm going to upload this now, and you'll be well on your way to the new build. So thank you very much. Take care. Have a good night.